Hey guys, Alicia here, where I am all about making a passive and supplemental income and also intentional living and living on a budget. So I'm really excited about today's video. So you're not a graphic designer. You know what? I'm not either. And if I did have a degree in graphic design, I would not be making printables for Etsy and other things. So what do we need graphics for? It depends on what you are doing. If you're making printables for Etsy, you're going to need graphics. If you are wanting to design a birthday party invitation, you're going to need graphics. If you're designing a t-shirt, you're going to need graphics. If you're using more than just text. A coffee mug, whatever it is that you are wanting to do, we need graphics, and not all of us have a degree in graphic design. So, if I did have a degree in graphic design, I certainly would not be doing this. Selling things on Etsy, instant downloads, things like that. So, there is a workaround to everything, and I highly recommend that you stick to the end of this video, because I think the last idea that I have is going to really get those creative juices flowing for you. So my first idea that I recommend for getting graphics, and you do have to purchase them. Some of them are not that expensive to purchase, but go to Creative Market. They have tons of graphics, almost anything that you need. So let's say that I want to design a baby shower invitation and I need baby animals. So I'm going to go here to graphics. I'm going to go to objects, and I'm just going to do a search here for baby. It actually popped up, baby animals, right down here at the bottom. Okay, so down here they have tons of baby animals. There's the safari animals, there are just all kinds. There's bundles, and some of these bundle packs are not even that expensive. Like this one right here is $10. You get lots of animals. That's just tons of ways to do it. Baby animals right here. Right here, baby animals, and it looks like this also includes papers, digital papers. So Creative Market is a place that I highly recommend that you check out. I'm going to link that in the description below. Another place is right on Etsy. So let's say that we need digital papers. I'm just going to type in digital paper and see what comes up. Okay, so there are all of these things on here, and you just want to make sure that it says that, you can use it for commercial use. So let's say, for example, this one right here, for $1.50, you get these watercolor papers. Okay, so let's see if this says anything about commercial use. When in doubt, if it doesn't say, I would always email the seller and ask them if it's okay if you use these for commercial use. And let's see here. It says right here, personal and commercial use is okay. So we're actually good there. So that's another place, like I said, Creative Market and also Etsy are, great places to get, graphics of any kind. Let's say we wanted, I don't know, elephant graphic. Okay, so here we have right here, these are offered in SVG, PNG, JPEG, and a PDF. And once again, you just want to pull the listing up, and this is an instant download for $1.25. You know, if you were making like a baby shower invitation or, you know, something like that, or, you know, maybe even just like a first birthday, something like that. So we're going to check here and also see if this is eligible for, it says commercial use license is included. So you can also do that. So there are just so many places that you can get graphics. Okay, so if you are really, really low on funds and, you know, you really can't afford to do, you know, a lot, another thing you can do is doing a Google search. I went ahead and pulled this up. I really like this site. It's allfreedownload.com. And so let's say that you needed, you know, a graphic for a heart, and you didn't just want, you know, a normal heart. You want something that's a little abstract, kind of like this. This type of site, you want to make sure you are free to use this. You can buy the commercial license, or it says that you can use this graphic for commercial use with attribution. So that means that you just need to give credit to this site, you know, in your listing for using this graphic. You know, so if you wanted to use one of these hearts or crop one of these out, they're saying, hey, you know, this is okay. You can do that as long as, you know, you give us credit for it. You know, so you don't want to steal anything, you know, without giving credit. So that's another idea. This is the idea that I really wanted to kind of go over with you. The one that kind of is thinking outside of the box. So I saw a shirt in my closet that was about 10, 11 years old, something like that. And I really liked the pattern on it. You know, I kind of thought I could use this pattern for something, you know, and it is a 10, 11-year-old shirt. So I'm going to kind of show you. Let me blow it up here. So I took this picture of the shirt hanging on the hanger, and I noticed that I really did like the pattern on it. So I highly recommend if you see something like that and you want to take a picture of it. So what I did is I took this shirt outside so that I could get natural light. Do not use a flash on your phone camera. And then I emailed it to myself. Well, I took it outside, and now I have a pattern, and I can use this. Now, is that considered stealing possibly on a 10, 11-year-old shirt? You know, I doubt very seriously that they would put me on America's top wanted list for that, you know, for using this right here. So that is just another idea. I also would say that you could use this on, if you see wrapping paper, you know, at the Dollar Tree, which is really cheap, you can go, and if you see a pattern or something that you like or objects that you like, you know, take a picture of it with your phone. Make sure you clean it up a little bit. You know, you can tell that this picture was taken indoors. And you can tell that the lighting isn't very good, but whenever I took it outside, this is what I got. So I have a pattern here that I can use for something that I would like. So once again, you could do tissue paper, wrapping paper, you know, anything that you see. a pattern of on a shirt that you have hanging in your closet, something that your grandma passed down to you, from years ago, anything. You can take a picture of it, email it to yourself, clean it up a little bit, crop it out, and use that. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you did like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will be uploading lots of videos on how to make a passive income, and also supplemental income. Thanks for watching, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.